When were you in Russia?
Right away when the war broke out, and I was up there when the war ended. They broke us apart. My mother was sick at that time, and I went to an orphanage with the idea that they'll send all these men and women in a kibbutz. My mother was very upset, though, but that time she knew already my stepfather, and they sent somebody in that orphanage with the idea that I'm coming back. And my mother said, no, I can't live without you. So she did not let me go back to the orphanage, which was all right with me because I was not happy. Anytime I was separate from my mother, I was not happy. I was sick. Both of us were sick. They only counted on each other. That's why I'm saying, what a life, how many people would be if those people would survive, if Hitler didn't start this Brenn fire. How many people would survive? Just imagine. She said, I made a promise. One of us will survive, and that'll be my child. Well, she survived too. Like I said, she was in Israel, but through the children, they had their imagination, their focus on the children. Up today, I was so happy this month to hold a great-grandchild in my arms.